Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster mashed potatoes full guide. Boil peeled potatoes until a fork slides through, then drain them well. Warm cream and butter together to melt and combine smoothly. Mash potatoes while gradually adding the warm cream mixture for silky texture. Fold in chopped lobster and season to taste, keeping the dish rich but balanced for seafood and potato harmony. For best results, salt the boiling water so potatoes are flavored through and cook evenly. Use a potato ricer or masher to avoid gluey results and keep texture light. Heat butter and cream before adding to potatoes to help absorption and flavor melding. Save a few tablespoons of potato cooking water to loosen the mash if it becomes too stiff when cooling down. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. It really helps. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for storing lobster mashed potatoes without spills, and they stack nicely in your fridge. They keep meals fresh and make portioning simple for leftovers or prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Think about balancing richness with brightness by adding lemon zest and fresh chives to the mash. A splash of sherry or a dry white wine can add complexity without masking lobster flavor. For texture contrast, sprinkle toasted breadcrumbs or crispy bacon on top, if desired. Finish with a drizzle of browned butter and a pinch of paprika to add aroma and visual appeal that complements both lobster and potatoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.